Welcome to the Windows Club. If you're trying to update Windows on your system, trying to install security updates or maybe a featured update, but it does not proceed as expected and rather gets stuck on, let's say, 213% or 300%, and you cannot even turn off the PC, then what should you do in such a case? So I would help you with the resolutions to this problem. The first solution would be to delete the Windows Update file cache, because what if the files in the cache are corrupt or there are some discrepancies with them, and that's why it's preventing the process from completion. And this would be the best step actually. So the procedure is as follows. First, type command prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Then go to this article on the Windows Club. We have shared the link in the description section. Copy the first command to stop the Windows Update service and paste it in the elevated command prompt. Hit enter and it would stop the Windows Update service. Now you need to delete the software distribution folder. Click on File Explorer. Go to C drive, Windows, scroll down to software distribution, and since it's an alphabetical list so it wouldn't be difficult, then delete all the contents and click on continue. It would need a few seconds and maybe it may not even delete all the contents, but as much as you can. Then you can restart the service. Here's the command to restart the service: net start Windows Update service. I'll paste it here and hit enter, and the Windows Update service has started successfully. Now the second option could be to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Click on Start, select Settings, scroll down to Updates and Security, click on Troubleshoot, scroll down to Additional Troubleshooters, then click on Windows Update and select Run the troubleshooter. The next option could be to reset Windows Update components, and this is a little complicated procedure that takes a lot of time. So it would be better for you to open this article, click on the associated article and follow it step by step. Lastly, you can run the Windows Module Installer. Now the elevated command prompt window is already open. All you need to do is copy paste this command from the website, and as soon as you receive the success message, it's done. If you have any doubts, then go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your queries. We will surely answer to them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.